All right, Stella Lumens got the groove back. So here is a chart that could throw some people off a little bit. They could think, well, how the hell do I count this? How do I even chart it? How do I even pattern it out? So I would like to take you through how I do it. It's clearly corrective. There's multiple ways of labeling this. But before that, I'd rather draw lines. And look at that. When you draw lines, when in doubt, the first thing you should do is draw lines to identify what? To identify patterns. And this pattern here is a descending wedge. I could draw the lines to the wicks of the price, and quite often for the patterns, I take liberty. I could cut the wicks off. The pattern is same. The destination remains the same. But in this case, I'm going to leave it here. I could count this as a wedge, and the wedge would be counted as potentially A, B, C, D. Oh, sorry, oops. Selected the wrong marker. Try again. A, B, C, D, and E. And once that E marker wave, the E wave is complete, this baby is going to explode with a high probability. MACD is oversold. It could lift up and pick up. Let's check out the volume. Oh, volume is severely declining, which is a confirmation of a triangle pattern, because as the triangle approaches the apex, the point at which the two lines of the triangles cross, and as it approaches the apex, the volume declines like this. So I think this is quite an impressive triple decker. So where does it go from here? And to see as to where price will go from here, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to hide the volume back. Oh, leave it on. Leave it on. I'm just going to shrink it in size so I could have enough ceiling space. The way I will count this on the Elliott wave, notice how the last thing I do is count the Elliott waves. 1, A, B, C, D, E. 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make 1, 1, 2. Let me adjust the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.61. I am eyeballing it, yes. There will be an Elliotician out there who says I'm cheating, that I'm breaking the rules, asks me if I care. No, I don't. This is how I've been doing it since 2000, almost 20 years. I started trading in 1997, started Elliott wave analysis in 2000, and in that time frame have developed my own eyeballing technique. I don't use Fibonacci charts and cookie cutter values. Says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The target for Stella is 275. This triple decker of indications will provide the impetus breakout potential for 3, 4, and 5 to give 275. I hope this has been informative and helpful, and if this has helped you to augment your due diligence, please do consider an upvote of the video on DTube. Thank you.